Greetings. In this video, I'm going to talk about a common question that people ask. Is it possible to convert visit visa to open work permit in Canada? In Canada, it is possible to apply for an open work permit from within Canada, but the eligibility criteria are specific. Generally, you cannot directly convert a visitor visa to an open work permit. However, there are some exceptions and pathways to consider. So I'm going to talk about the exceptions and pathways which will help you to apply for open work permit. Number one, International Mobility Program or IMP. If you are in Canada on a visitor visa, you might be eligible for an open work permit under the IMP. This program allows foreign nationals to work in Canada without a labor market impact assessment. However, this typically only available for specific situations such as intra-company transfers, international agreements like NAFTA or CETA, significant benefit to Canada. Pathway number two, Bridging Open Work Permit or BOWP. If you have submitted an application for permanent residence and are currently in Canada on a visitor visa, you might be eligible for a BOWP. This permit allows you to work in Canada while your permanent resident application is being processed. Pathway number three, Spousal Open Work Permit. If you are in Canada on a visitor visa and are the spouse or a common law partner of a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, you might be eligible for an open work permit. Pathway number four, Post-Graduation Work Permit or PGWP. If you have completed a study program in Canada and are currently on a visitor visa, you might be eligible for a PGWP. This permit allows international students to work in Canada after completing their studies. Now, next we are going to examine how can you apply for an open work permit. To apply for an open work permit, you will typically need to meet the eligibility criteria for one of the above exceptions or pathways. You will need to submit an application for an open work permit. And this form is IMM 5710. And you need to pay the required fees. And you need to provide supporting documentation such as proof of language proficiency, education, and work experience. It is essential to note that the eligibility criteria and application process can be complex and may vary depending on your individual circumstances. It is recommended that you consult the Immigration, Refugee and Citizenship Canada website or seek the advice of an authorized immigration representative to determine the best course of action for your specific situation. If you have any questions regarding what I said in the video, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section. Thank you.